Dude, I could just sit here all day and just do this. Welcome to the off-road pod light durability test. Let's first kick off this durability test by replicating you installing the pod light on the top of your vehicle, severely underestimating the height of your garage door. Boom!
Jim Murray tells us he reportedly hit a fire hydrant before he hit the house.
Now you've got an impact on your new off-road pod light. Did it survive? Well, we'll only know after this test. So far, I don't see any damage, really at all. We're gonna do it again because that wasn't really a bullseye. I haven't actually validated that this worked before we started filming. This doesn't count because you obviously don't have a soft garage door 3 times the charm. 3 times the charm. I knew we would hit a bullseye. Let's go see if this thing still works. Did the Morimoto 4Banger survive your garage door? Well, if you look at the front face, you can definitely tell it's cracked, it's broken in a couple areas, and to be honest, it does sound like there's something in there. I'm gonna assume it's the lens. You can change this lens to other lenses too. Let's check it out. Heck yeah, this thing is indestructible. On to phase 2. Now just imagine for 1 second that you're with your buddies, you're about to install your pod lights on the back of your vehicle, and you wanted to show them this sweet box that it comes in. Wow, what this comes in is absolutely incredible. But then you realize you're all out of beer. What are you gonna do? You're gonna get in your vehicle, oh crap, and then you're gonna come over here, back your truck up, probably run it over. Dang it. That's the last thing you wanna do. The moment of truth. Boom! What is the point of Morimoto's lifetime warranty if you legitimately cannot break it? On to phase 3. Come here for a second. Let's imagine that the Lord Almighty opened up the floodgates and you said, God, 1 second, please. I need to install my off-road pod lights. The coolest part about this is that this is IP69K rating, which means even if the Lord Almighty himself did open up the floodgates, your pod light is still going to be okay. Let's test it. I'm gonna steal the wiring that's already on this 2-banger, slap it on the backside. Of course this baby works, IP69K, you can't beat that. Now what if you get an off-road pod light and you're about to install it in the plains of Africa or in Utah? Well, 8 seconds, everybody knows the rules. 2. If it's that hot, you might have a problem. Ah, idiot. We need to fry it a little bit more. I like it well done. Name another company that goes this in depth in testing products. Joe, that was not full. Ooh, doggy. Dude, I could just sit here all day and just do this. Look at this thing. I don't care where you install this. I don't care how hot it is. There's no excuses. If this works when I am done with it, this is the product for you. So here's the deal. It doesn't matter where you install this off-road pod light, whether it's on the new ditch light brackets from Morimoto or the drift brackets. If you have a car or a truck, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how hot, how cold it is outside, and it doesn't matter if it's pouring rain. It has been thoroughly tested over and over and over again. The only thing I really had to modify was the back here because I couldn't get this plugged in, but that's because it's plastic. The rest has this metal heatsink. After all of that with the flamethrower, it still works. Guys, if you want products that are undeniably tested in every single way, this is it. Go to headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model to see all of the products that we have truly tested for your vehicle.